Hello and welcome to Retro Bikes Dublin. Today we're looking at a beautiful Honda Zoomer 50 2008 model Carburetor. Really cool colour, very rare. A lot of them just come in, a lot of them that we imported we just went with black. This is kind of a turquoisey blue. Really cool overall. It's got the great tyres on it. I believe they're Pirellis, front and rear on it, so it's had really nice rubber put on her. Serviced, looked over, battery, everything checked over, and we're a real expert on these Honda 50 Zoomers in Ireland. Sold many of them, so we know them top to bottom. It's the Japanese model which has the smaller twin front headlamps and obviously carburetor, and they're more tunable as well, these carburetor models, than the fuel injected. But apart from that, I actually personally owned a Honda Zoomer 50 for well over a year and a half, 2 years. Rode it in and out of college every day, and was an absolutely perfect bike for what I needed at the stage. In and out, cheap to run, amazing on fuel, looked the part, and yeah, that's all I really wanted it for. But overall then, we'll start at the front. Like you said, that Pirelli front tyre is in great condition. Front mudguard really good, front headlamps are good, indicators are good, battery box cover good, front rack good. Have a little bit of a, what looks like maybe a stone chip or a rub. At the front here, it's got original mirrors, brake levers, all that kind of stuff. It's got 22,000 kilometers on it. You can see the battery box cover here is good. We've got tax on it till the first next year, so January 25. I've got a bolt on it here for some reason. The footwell area is all really nice. This is where your fuel cap is as well. It flips up. Under seat storage area there as well. This is a seat. It's been recovered. It's not an original Honda seat. Well, it's the original Honda seat, just not the cover. We have a little bit of a mark here on the left hand side on the Zoomer sticker, but to be honest, I think if you purchase a new Zoomer sticker, which are about 4 or 5 quid, you can cover up that fairly nicely. Everything around here, original air box, everything like that. Underneath then, all very good. Yeah, and overall, pretty nice. I like the colour on it. Again, there you have the tyre. It's actually done up on the rear, but lots of thread on it. Really nice. 2008 model. We've got the guard or the heat shield on the exhaust, everything like that. All really nice. Right hand side here, little bits of mark, as you can see here on the seating area. Other than that, very nice. Well, that's kind of it for the visuals. We'll go for a little spin and see what she's like to ride. Okay, we're on to the last 3 bikes, which are 2 Honda Zoomers and a CG125. Let's make sure I'm recording here, which is perfect. Turn the bike, turn the ignition on, pull in the brake, and away you go. Now these will do about 55-60 kilometers an hour. If you have a good one, it's well sorted. Put on the right indicator here. See that working nicely. And out to the left here again. Brilliant. And we go up. Now the bike hasn't been run in a decent while. There are all the twins here, all looking the same. So it might take a little bit just to kick into speed and warm up. I can kind of feel it edging on, getting up to 40 kilometers per hour there. Brakes feel pretty good actually. Front suspension feels okay. Rear shock actually feels really good. A lot of them you get this, the rear shock goes super bouncy on it. I'll just test the horn here. Horn is working nicely. We got a guy washing his Honda, which is nice. Pan-European, we've serviced his bike before as well, which is good. We're coming up to the top of the hill here now, and we're going to do our nice little loop. Maneuverability feels good, tyres feel good, in and around, all very nice. And we'll head down the hill. And we'll see what we can get out of it. we're getting up to 50 kilometers per hour now, and we're kind of hitting into the gear. There we go. I'd say if you got a bit more length onto that one, it'd be 60 kph, no problem. Feels a lot better now. It's kind of warmed up slightly. 22,000 kilometers on the bike, and I'm a taller individual, 187, which is about 6'2", 87 centimeters that is, and yeah, even for me it's actually a very comfortable bike, as you can see here. All enjoying the bike as well. And onto that topic, people really love the look of these things. It's what gets them a lot of their charm and their following, is the look of them. Well, that's been it for doing the little run around. Idling, stopping, starting, rear light working, rear brake light working, horn is working, front left indicator working, rear left indicator, rear right indicator working, front right indicator working, and we have the front headlamps working as well. I have a fly in my eye, unfortunately. But that's been it for the Honda Zoomer 50 review and little runabout. If you have enjoyed it, please do leave a like, comment and subscribe. And if you do want to reach out to our socials about the bike, please go to @RetroBikesDublin for Facebook and Instagram, and our official website is www.retrobikesdublin.com. Thanks for watching.